بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وأصلي وأسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. How did this young group called Khawarij, how did they start, and what is their relationship with the Jewish? I know. The Khawarij, they started after this guy, the Yahudi called Abdullah bin Saba, the Jewish, became the Muslims, and he brought the fitna of the Rafida, and also the fitna of the fitna of the Khawarij. He came to bring the fitna in Medina first, but the people of Medina were so strong, so they didn't accept what he was teaching. So he saw that what he was teaching was not being followed for, so he went to Egypt. In Egypt, he found many followers. Many men of the Muslims there followed him, so they came and rebelled against the Uthman bin Affan. He went there and said Uthman bin Affan doesn't respect your prophet. You know the member of the prophet. It is three stairs. When he died, Abu Bakr went to the second. When Abu Bakr, Umar went to the third. So Uthman bin Affan came and climbed where the prophet was. So he said that they don't respect the prophet, and he went and he went to stand where the Prophet stood. So these people from Egypt, one of the reasons that they came and rebelled against the Uthman bin Affan was that Uthman climbed and reached the third stairs where the Prophet was standing. Another reason that this Yahudi spread there is that he said that Uthman ran away in the day of Al-Uhud. He didn't participate in the battle of Badr. So they said that if he ran away, then he's a munafiq. They came and asked Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu anhu, told him yes, he ran away. But they didn't give him chance to explain why he ran away. Because at that time, during the Battle of Uhud, many of their companions ran away. Not only Uthman bin Affan, many of the Muslims ran away because they had the Prophet as died. But after that, they came back and even went after the enemy. I know. So the Khawarij, that is the first time they came. They came from Egypt, and they came to rebel against Uthman, but they said they were going for Hajj. So no one suspected this Khawarij who came from Egypt. No one could repel them because people saw they didn't carry their weapons. They came and said they are going for Hajj. So Ali was in Hajj. But when people from Medina went to Hajj, they went and besieged the house of Uthman bin Affan, while the Sahabas were not around. So when the companions of Prophet heard about this, they came. They asked Uthman bin Affan, let us fight what? Let us fight these people. He said, no, don't fight. He said, I will not be the first person that the blood of the Muslims will be shed because of Aina. So these people came, surrounded their house, and one of them climbed over the gate and killed Uthman. They even stepped over him and killed Uthman. Uthman was fasting, and the wife of the Uthman said that Uthman had a dream that this day that they was killed, he was going to break his fast with the prophets. So when he died, he was fasting. I know. So this is the fitna of the Khawarij. When they started, and it is the person who brought this fitna is this guy, the Jewish, the Abdullah bin Saba. And you find out that the Jewish are the ones still spreading fitna among the Muslims. Since they entered Palestine, they have been spreading fitna in the Muslim land until Muslims are fighting each other, killing each other. The Muslims are separated, all because of the Jewish. I know. So this is the fitna of Khawarij. And before even before after they killed Uthman, the fitna continued. Some of this some of the army of the Khawarij went the army of Ali bin Abi Talib. I know the kisa yani, the fight between Ali bin Abi Talib and the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Since then, we had the Khawarij, and Ali fought them many times, and others run away. And I don't know if right now we have Khawarij, but yani the Khawarij yani they are those people, you know. The first people who fought them is Ali bin Abi Talib radiallahu anhu. I know.